Even in the darkest hour, you don't have to set so hard. You're the one that holds.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So just packed up all of my goodies because I'm headed to the gym right now. First I'm gonna do some cardio, then I'm gonna treat someone. We're doing the whole works, Graston, cupping, adjustments, so that'll take about an hour. And then after that, I'm gonna hit a heavy lower body day. So we got a busy day, had a busy morning. So welcome to the video. Thanks so much for checking it out. Subscribe if you have not already. I gotta get going. Enjoy the video.
Now's the time to play your part. If you could see your true colors, you wouldn't have to try so hard.
So the headrest rolls came at the perfect time because I just ran out and Amazon delivered.
It's the same with me and you and everybody.
Okay, just finished up 30 minutes of cardio. And I'm gonna grab all my stuff and get on with the session.
Tied up breath while waiting for the party. So many doors, so many closed to us.
How does your logo back feel? Good. Feels okay? Look up, listen to me up. There we go. I'm surprised your low back doesn't feel too bad after deadlifting. Just lay on this side first. Okay guys, that is going to be the end of the video. My sister was supposed to help record, so I couldn't really get great angles. But we did the cupping, a little bit of the Graston, and the adjustments. So that is what a full session. We didn't do a full hour, but that's pretty much what a full session looks like with me. So I'm gonna go hit a workout. Thanks for checking out the video. Hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next one.